You are watching Caribbean Vibrations TV, and we're coming to you from the beautiful Mount Irvine Golf Course in Tobago. And I'm here with Mr. Christopher McMillan, the golf pro for the course. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm doing quite fine.
Okay. Well, thank you. Chris is going to be taking me out on the course today, showing me a little bit of tips and intricacies of golf. The first question I had for you is, for those who don't know, how do you even play golf? Like, how does the score work? We hear these things, bogeys, birdies, all these things. How does it work?
First thing I would say, welcome. It's good to have you.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, and where golf is concerned, the scores, there's par 4s, par 3s, and par 5s. And the concept is to, on a par 4, you try to make 4 on the par 4. On the par 3 is the same thing, you try to make the 3. Par 5s, you try to make the 5s. But for someone who's now learning golf, on the par 4, if you do 6, that's still pretty good, which we call a double bogey. If you do a 5, it's still all right, it's a bogey. But for a beginner, if you do it in 4, you're going to jump for joy. You know, if you do it in 3, that's something rarely will happen, but it does happen where sport is concerned. So the scoring aspect of the game is just to give you the challenge to make the shots within the requirement amount of scores.
Okay, nice. So Christopher, tell us about the 7th hole we're about to play.
All right, so this 7th hole is par 3, and the golf course was designed by John Harris. He was a corporal in the English Army, and he was brought in to design this golf course. And I think the concept that he had, he used the lay of the land without doing much to the golf course. So this par 3 may be looking rather simple, but it's a little tough cookie. But I'll try to make it easy for you. So a little instructions, a little guideline, and we'll be fine.
Can only hope for the best. Let's go. Woo. You are not joking, Christopher. This view, this 9th hole is beautiful. Tell us about Mount Irvine Golf Course.
Okay, so for our viewers at home, Mount Irvine Golf Course, it's a 72-hole layout. It's a championship course. It's user-friendly for beginners and those who want to have a good time, and those who are looking for the challenges. You can find that here as well. As you can see in the background, the view is gorgeous. The sun is lovely. The weather is always perfect, so you're always welcome.
I gotta come back because this is an awesome course, and with your help, I feel I'm gonna do much better.
Of course you can.
Anything's possible.
Yeah.
Now, Chris, is there anything else you'd like to share with our Caribbean Vibration viewers about golfing in the Caribbean?
For our viewers back home, me answering that question wouldn't be right. So what do you think about being here in the Caribbean
Asking me questions?
and playing golf?
Okay. Well, right now, the sun is perfect. It's not too hot. It's warm. There's a beautiful breeze. And it's just spectacular. Like, the view, just breathtaking. So I really enjoy myself. Plus, I got some really good tips from you.
So hopefully I'll see you guys, and hopefully I'll see you next time.
Thank you so much. Appreciate all the help. Now, is there any other tips you can give me before I got to make this money shot?
Just don't mess it up.
No pressure, no pressure. But I hit it this time. For par. For par. Next time you're in Tobago, you want to play some golf, don't forget to check out Mount Irvine Golf Course. Check out our friend Chris, and you're watching Caribbean Vibrations. For par, baby, for par. Thanks to his 3 shots. His 2, my 2.
Caribbean Vibration.